was of stately lady. That poem was of stately lady. What the stately lady used to do? The stately lady came on the ground and the little girl was sitting. So what she thought, that this is a fairy. So that was that poem. Now this is very interesting poem that we are going to learn today. So first of all, the name of the poem is The Rainbow. So first we learn the spelling together. T-H-E the R-A-I-N-B-O-W. That's the spelling of rainbow. Again, R-A-I-N-B-O-W. That's the spelling of rainbow. Now, have you seen rainbow in the sky? Do you know when the rainbow comes? कब आता है rainbow? देखा है आपने? How many colors are over there in the rainbow? Do you know? First of all, let's see how rainbow looks. कैसा होता है rainbow? I'll draw for you. Like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. No, how many colors? 7 are there. One more, 6, and then 7. How many are there? There are 7 colors in the rainbow, and it comes in between the clouds. Here it comes. It comes in between the clouds. These are the clouds, and here is the rainbow. How many colors are there in the rainbow? 7 colors. When does rainbow comes? Rainbow comes when rain used to come. Before rain start, the clouds turn into a black color. What was the color of cloud? Cloud का color कैसा हो जाता है? Black color होता है. Then a thunderstorm used to come. क्या आता है? A thunderstorm used to come. Thunderstorm मतलब गरजने के बाद आती है, sky में से आवाज आती है, clouds में से, क्या हमको पता क्या चल जाता है? That now rain will come. And as the thunderstorm comes, if we move outside, then sometimes we can see the rainbow. कभी कभार आपको rainbow दिखता है, but it looks very beautiful. How does it looks? It looks very beautiful. It looks like कि someone is making a bridge. क्या लगता है कि कोई एक bridge बना रहा है? Do you know what is bridge? Bridge क्या होता है? When you move through the car from one place to another, आप जाते हैं तो हमारा कार अगर नीचे से जा रहा है, ऊपर से ट्रेन मूव हो रही है, ब्रिज बना होता है जिसमें से ट्रेन मूव हो जाती है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द ब्रिज. लाइक दिस इज द वे वी आर मूविंग एंड दिस इज द ब्रिज, जो उसको अक्रॉस करके ऊपर से बनाया होता है. बट रेनबो लुक्स लाइक दैट समवन हैव मेड अ ब्रिज इन द हेवन. हेवन मतलब जहाँ पे गॉड रहते हैं. रेनबो कैसा लगता है? रेनबो लुक्स लाइक कि हेवन में किसी ने क्या बना दिया है? एक बड़ा सा ब्रिज बना दिया. सो इट्स लुक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ओवर there. Now, what I was telling you that how many colors are there in the rainbow? There are 7 colors. How many colors? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. So, what we call it? We call it, the first color is violet. The first color is violet. The spelling of violet is, let's read together. V-I-O-L-E-T. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Number 2 color is indigo. Second color is indigo. Indigo is a kind of little bit blue color. Violet is a kind of purple color. So the spelling of indigo we read together. I-N-D-I-G-O. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. The third color is blue. As I told you that indigo is a kind of blue color, dark blue color. Then other color is blue. So spelling B-L-U-E. B-L-U-E. Now these are the 3 colors. Next one is, fourth number is green. Next number is green. What's the spelling? G-R-E-E-N. G-R-E-E-N. Can you see? This is the board. It is of green color. What is the color of board? Green. Next one is yellow. Next one is yellow. Spelling of yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Next one is orange color. Orange is the bright color. The orange we used to eat. Same is the color orange. Orange जो हम खाते हैं वही color orange होता है. O-R-A-N-G-E. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Next one is the color is red. Next the color is red. Do you know which fruit color is red? It's an apple. It's an apple. The color of apple is red. Do you know an apple a day takes a doctor away? अगर हम डेली एप्पल खाएंगे तो हमको डॉक्टर के पास जाना नहीं पड़ेगा. Now, in short, to say the seven colors rainbow को बोलने के लिए we used to give a short name. इसका एक short name दिया जाता है. That is called the vacuole. That is called the vacuole. What we used to do? We used to take the first word V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. We take the first word and make a new name that is called the vacuole. To say the seven colors. उसके seven colors बोलने के लिए we used to say as a vacuole. So rainbow is the most beautiful thing that you can see in the sky. Rainbow एक इतना सुंदर चीज है that you can see in the sky. The shape of the rainbow is like this. One line is coming like this, then second is going like this, then third is coming like this, then fourth is coming like this. Like this, 7 lines of the rainbow used to come. And in between the clouds के अंदर ये 7 line looks very, very, very amazing view that we can see. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to read the poem and then I will explain you together. Chalo, we'll start. B-O-A-T-S, boats. S-A-I-L, sail. O-N, on. T-H-E, R-I-V-E-R-S. Let's read together. Boats sail on the rivers. Boats sail on the rivers. बोट कहाँ पे सेल करती है? On the river. नदी के अंदर बोट क्या करती है? सेल करती है. हम कहीं घूमने जाते हैं तो हम बोट में बैठते हैं. So what we used to do? Where is the boat? बोट कहाँ पे चलती है? यहाँ river पे. Then A-N-G and S-H-I-P ship. S-A-R-L sail. O-N on. T-H-E S-E-A-S seas. Seas means what? Seas means samudra. Means bigger than the river. जो river से बड़ा होता है. Boats are small in size. बोट कैसी होती है? साइज में small होती है. हम आपको ड्रॉ करके दिखाएंगे. This is a boat. And where boat used to sail? Boat used to sail in the river. Boat कहाँ पे sail करती है? Boat used to sail in the river. And ships. S-H-I-P-S. Ships. Ships are very big. Ships बहुत बड़ी होती है. So many people can stay inside there. बहुत सारे लोग उसके अंदर रहते हैं. Merchant people. Merchant are the people जो goods अपने एक place से दूसरी जगह supply करते हैं. सामान अपना एक place से दूसरी जगह लेके जाते हैं in the ships. Because ships have big containers can come inside the ship. उसके पास बहुत बड़े spaces होते हैं जहाँ पे लोग अपना सामान एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस ले जा सकते हैं. So on the rivers, boat used to sail. On the seas, ship used to sail. Now, third line is B-U-T but C-L-O-U-D-S clouds. T-H-A-T that. S-A-I-L sail. A-C-R-O-S-S cross. T-H-E the S-A-I side. Now, what they are saying? Boat is sailing on the river. Ships sailing on the seas. Now, where the clouds are sailing? Clouds कहाँ पे घूमते हैं? Clouds का घूमने का जगह कौन सा है? They used to sail across the sky. Sky में clouds एक place से दूसरी place घूमते हैं. Now, next line. A-R-E-R-P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Prettier. T-H-A and then THESE are prettier than these. These all the view are very pretty. बहुत सुंदर दिखता है. बोट नदी में है, शिप सी में है, एंड बट उन सबसे अलग क्या दिखता है? क्लाउड्स दिखते हैं जो कि स्काई में घूम रहे होते हैं. इन सब में सबसे सुंदर जो है द प्रिटीएस्ट थिंग, सबसे सुंदर क्या दिखता है? दैट द क्लाउड्स आर मूविंग इन द स्काई. नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन THERE there, ARER, BRIDGES, on, THERES, rivers. There are bridges on the rivers. Now what they are saying? Rivers are there and we have to go from this side to the opposite side. Say as ma'am is standing here और बीच में क्या है? River. In between river is there. If I want to go there, can I jump? No, I cannot jump. What I have to do? I have to sit inside the boat rather than I have to move above from the bridge. So what I have to do? If in the sense this kind of bridge is like here, so what I'll do? If I am moving in a car or I am moving by walking, I have to move on the top of the bridge and then I can come on the other side. I cannot go inside the river. So this is the river. इसके ऊपर क्या बना हुआ है? इसका नाम bridge. So what I'll do? I'll move on the bridge and come to the other side. I came from this side to that side and that side to this side to the bridge. Now next one. AS as PRETTY, pretty. AS as YOUPLEASE, as pretty as you please. What they are saying? आप जितना सोच सकते हैं वो उससे भी ज्यादा सुंदर होता है. It is as pretty as you can think. हम जितना सोचे वो उससे भी ज्यादा सुंदर दिखता है. BUT but, THE the, BOW bow, THAT that, BRIDGES bridges, HEAVEN heaven. Now what they are saying? But the bow that bridges the heaven. Bow क्या होता है? हमने आपको पहले लेसन में पढ़ा है. Bow means to bend like this. Now what they are saying? कि जो the bow which is coming in the heaven, it makes a bridge. This is the clouds. ये clouds हैं in the sky. Now this is a kind of rainbow जो एक bridge की तरह बनता है. किसकी तरह? Bridge. Bridge means to move from one place to another above the river. And over here, bridge is in the sky. Next line is AND and OVER over, TOP top, THE TREES and over top the trees. Now the bridge that is in the heaven, it is overtopping the trees. Means trees से भी ऊपर है. Say as this is the tree. What is this? This is the tree. Here is the sky. And this is the bridge above the sky. So it is overtopping. Overtopping means trees से भी ऊपर चला गया है. So the view is looking very beautiful. तो ये view है वो बहुत कैसा दिख रहा है? It is looking very beautiful. Now the next line. AND and BUILDS bills or ROAD road, FROM from, EARTH earth to sky, and bills or road from earth to sky. What they say? The bridge that is over top, जो वहाँ पे ब्रिज बना है, it has made a road. वो एक रोड की तरह बन गया है जिससे हम अर्थ से स्काई तक जा सकते हैं. Do you know what is अर्थ? आपको पता है अर्थ क्या है? अर्थ इज द प्लेस वेयर वी आर लिविंग. हम हमारी जो धरती है उसको अर्थ बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, वेयर वी आर लिविंग। एंड व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, द रेनबो इज लुकिंग लाइक अ ब्रिज। रेनबो किसकी तरह दिख रहा है? इट्स लुक लाइक अ ब्रिज, एक ब्रिज बन गया है जिससे फ्रॉम द अर्थ वी कैन गो टू द स्काई। अर्थ से हम कहाँ तक जा सकते हैं? वी कैन मूव टू द स्काई थ्रू द ब्रिज। लास्ट लाइन इज ISS PRETTIE are prettier than FAR far, THAN then THESED is prettier far than these. Now what they are saying, all these things are very pretty. The road is over there, the bridge is over there, but is it a real bridge? No, it is just the imagination of the poet. Poet मतलब जो poem लिखते हैं, they are known as the poet. These all are the imagination. ये सब उसका imagination है that there is a bridge in the heaven which is giving us the way to move from earth to the sky. We can go from the earth to the sky through that bridge. But can we move like this? No, not at all. So never say to mother and father that we want to go and touch the rainbow. We cannot touch it. It is very far away from us. We can just see that thing, but we could not go and touch that. So what does it mean? It means that the rainbow looks very pretty, very beautiful, but we cannot touch it. Now, as I told you, how many colors were there in the rainbow? How many colors? There were 7 colors in our rainbow. Let's recall the names. वापस names recall करते हैं. First one was violet. First one was violet. Violet is the color that looks little bit purple. Next one is indigo. Indigo, I told you, the color that looks little bit in the color of dark blue. That is known as the indigo. Next color is the blue. Blue is the color of sky. Then next one is the green color. Next one is the green color. Then next one is the yellow color. Then orange. Do you know what color of fruit we eat? Have you seen yellow color fruit? Do you like to eat banana? Banana is of yellow color. Next one, next color is orange. Next color is orange. Orange is a fruit that we used to eat. Next color is red, and red roses are red. Same, one more fruit is over there, and the name of the fruit is apple. An apple a day takes a doctor away. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to read the poem. Chapter. Both sail on the rivers, both sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the sea, and ships sail on the sea. Boats are sailing on the rivers, ships are sailing on the sea. Now, next line is, but the clouds that sail across the sky, but the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these, are prettier than these. Means all the things are same. Boats are in the river, seas are and ships are in the seas, but the sky that is moving, clouds that are moving in the sky is look more prettier. Why it's looking more prettier? Because a rainbow is over there, and rainbow of 7 colors is the majestic thing. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि some magic is being created in the sky. कोई magic create हुआ है sky में, and it looks really beautiful, and it's the very nice view to see in the sky. Let's continue. Are prettier than these, are prettier than these. Next, there are bridges on the rivers. There are bridges on the rivers. As pretty as you please, as pretty as you please. What they are saying, there are the bridges. River के ऊपर bridge बना है, and you think it's look pretty, but you are thinking वो उससे भी ज़्यादा pretty है. It looks pretty but it is beyond your thinking. आप जो सोच रहे हैं it looks more prettier than that. Now next line is but the bow that bridges the heaven. But the bow that bridges the heaven. Now as I told you, bow means to bend. And what they are saying, if you bend like this portion is coming. If it comes around like this, then it means it's a bridge. A bridge बन गया in the heaven to go from here to other place. Now the next line is and overtop the trees. And overtop the trees means it is coming above the trees. As I told you how it was coming, like this was the tree I told you, and this is the overtop. This was the overtop. What was overtop? Rainbow was like overtop a bridge above the clouds. Now, and builds a road from earth to sky. And builds a road from earth to sky. Earth से sky तक क्या बनाया उसने? Road. Last line is prettier far than these. Is prettier far than these. That is the prettiest thing that we have seen. Now, few words in a poem are like that we should remember. So I am underlining that. Then we are going to speak together. Number one is boat, then rivers, then seas, then sail, then the spelling of clouds, then the spelling of prettier, then bridges, then the spelling of please, then the spelling of bridges, and the heaven, and the spelling of earth, trees, and over top. The spellings that I have underlined, which is important to learn. Now we are going to read the spellings together. First one is boat. First one is boat. We are going to read all the spellings together. B-O-A-T-S. Spelling of boat. B-O-A-T-S. The next spelling that we have to learn is rivers. The next spelling that we have to learn is rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. Next one is S-A-I-L. Sail. Next one is S-A-I-L. Sail. Now next is seas. Next is seas. S-E-A-S. Seas. S-E-A-S. Seas. Next one is clouds. Next one is clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. C-L-O-U-D-S. As I told you, the color of sky is blue. Next one is bridges. The next one is bridges. B-R-I-D-G-E-S. B-R-I-D-G-E-S. Now, the next one is please. Please mean to request for something. That is called please. P-L-E-A-S-E. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. Now the next one is bridges. Bridges, as I told you, it's a way to go from one place to another as below above the river or road above the road. We have to go from this place to the other place. So spelling of bridges, B-R-I-D-G-E-S. Next one is the spelling of heaven. I told you what do you mean by heaven? Heaven is the place where God used to live. H-E-A-V-E-N. H-E-A-V-E-N. Next is the overtop. Overtop I told you above. As they are saying overtop means trees se bhi upar tha. O-V-E-R over T-O-P top. O-V-E-R over T-O-P top. Next is the spelling of trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Trees is the thing that makes our environment pure. Trees are the thing that make our environment very pure. So हमारा environment एकदम pure हो जाता है, because what we get from there, we get oxygen. What we get oxygen from the trees. Now next is the spelling of earth. Next is the spelling of earth. E-A-R-T-H. E-A-R-T-H. Earth is the place where we are living. Earth is the place where we are living. We all are living on the earth. Now, the important points that we have to learn, the new words that we have learned, we are going to recall all that again. So, let's read again together. Now, first one was boats, then second rivers, then third sail, then fourth seas, five clouds. Prettier means beautiful. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Prettier, beautiful. This thing is beautiful. This thing is beautiful. But this is beautiful than this. ये भी सुंदर है, ये भी सुंदर है. But दोनों में सुंदर कौन सा है? ये ज़्यादा सुंदर है. That is called prettier. Next is bridges. Next is bridges. Then comes please. Then comes please. Then heaven. Then comes heaven. Heaven is the place where God lives. Then next is over top. Next is over top. Over top after trees. As I told you, trees is the place from which we get the oxygen. Trees is the thing from where we get the oxygen. It makes our nature very beautiful. It makes our nature very beautiful. Then next is the earth. Next is the earth. What earth is doing? What they were saying? The bridge that has made. The bridge that has made was making our view very beautiful. जो bridge बना हुआ था वो हमारा view बहुत सुंदर बना रहा था. But was it a real bridge? No, it was not a real bridge. It was just a bridge made of rainbow. It was just a bridge made of rainbow. So you will be remembering the name of the colors of the rainbow. You will be remembering. We'll read together once more and then you have to learn it and try to draw a rainbow in your notebooks. अपने books में rainbow draw करिएगा with the 7 colors. We are going to read together again. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Number 2 is indigo. Number 2 is indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Next one is B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Next one is number 4 is green. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Next one is Y-E-L-L-O-W. We eat the banana and the color of banana is also yellow. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. We eat orange and the color of orange is also yellow. Next one is red. Red, red, red. Apples are red. Now from the poem what we learned that the rainbow is the most beautiful thing that we can see in the sky. But when we can see the rainbow in the sky, we can see when it's about to rain. जब बारिश होने वाली होती है उससे पहले the view looks very beautiful and very amazing in the sky. जो sky का view होता है it looks very beautiful. The clouds used to turn in the little bit of black color and that view is very amazing to see. During that time, in between the sky, we can see that this sides are clouds, this sides are clouds, and between the clouds there are very, very, very beautiful 7 lines are coming, and that 7 line completely makes a rainbow. And rainbow is the most beautiful thing that we have seen. The name of the lesson was the rain.